Video.
Keep this
I'm gonna be
label
watching
in
this,
case of
but
returns.
here's the box. It says Boost on it. Ultra Boost. If you open the box, it has some fancy paper. And here's the shoe. Looks pretty big. Looks pretty comfortable. What?
You're hilarious.
How?
Because you're just very seriously talking about your shoes. Try it on.
Gel.
You're supposed to do that.
You're supposed to
Try
do
it
that.
on. Yeah, if you're making a review on it, you're supposed to talk seriously about it. You don't just joke around with the shoe. Oh, this shoe is terrible. Oh my god.
It's fake Yeezys.
What? These? These aren't fake Yeezys.
Those are not fake. Trust me.
These are not even close to Yeezys.
Those look way too big for your feet. Josh, put them on.
They're not, though.
I hope not.
I hope not.
These slides are the same size as those. They are. I'm not joking.
They're big feet.
What the heck? How is it like silk and fuzz?
Try on that one. Jared, try.
No, I'm not letting her.
Watch, I bet a week.
Yeah, they have the same shoe size.
I bet a week of school, they're not going to be white anymore.
I can clean.
I don't know. Josh is pretty
Something
good
called
about taking care of things.
cleaning.
If it was Jera,
My white Converse are still looking pretty good.
Jera's would be gray. Her white shoes would be gray.
I was hoping
or
nobody
gray.
would talk this whole video because this is kind of weird. Sorry guys, my mom and people really just they wanted to watch me unbox it, and I knew I was gonna make a video on it.
A whole herd of scrubs.
Oh yeah, Continental. Oh yeah, this is the Continental helped them with it.
Josh,
So
put the
this is-
shoe on.
don't tear the tags off till you see if they fit. Yeah, that might help if you got that out.
Yep, they fit. No, I already. Oh, these are so comfortable.
Tighten the shoestring.
Tighten the shoe-
No, stop.
Hold on. Tighten the shoestring
Yeah, do you see that
No,
one that?
stop.
right here.
Thank you, Emily. Those are Emily's hands.
You're in the video.
Eh.
You bum.
Shut up, Josh. Emily.
You're just making it worse.
I'm
She's
not.
not. She's doing it right.
Oh, okay.
There.
I'm not tired.
Thank you.
Seriously? Are you stupid?
Well, I like tying my
Are you
shoes
silly?
tight. Yes. Fine, I won't tight.
It looks.
Stop. How long does it take you to tie a shoe?
Oh,
I don't even feel like making a video on this.
Jared,
away.
stop.
this is
Stop,
empty.
Josh. No, stop.
I'm not gonna post this.
Don't, because my face wasn't in that. Ain't nobody. Ow, I just popped my finger.
I have a lot of mosquito bites, even though I put on.
Nah, I'm still posting
I
it.
told y'all we had bug spray.
I need views.
I used it.
Who watches these videos?
That's
Nobody.
what I want to know.
Nobody, because I just made this channel and I only have one video on it.
Yeah, what
I
is it
know.
called again?
I'm not gonna say.
Those do look
It's
comfortable.
retarded. They are.
Buy
That looks
them
like-
for yourself.
That looks like
I can't
styrofoam.
afford it.
Sis, you are styrofoam. Oh, that roast.
That looks like styrofoam though.
Shut up.
It's not, it's rubber.
Now try walking.
Yeah, stand up in them. We want to see. How do they feel?
Good.
Bronco peas on them.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hello.
What? No, they fit. I just said yeah. That means they fit.
I know you love me more.
Are they as comfortable as they say?
Yes. These are the most comfortable shoes I have, which I only have 2 other
Let me
pairs.
try one on.
Good. Well, you need to put that stuff in the
Josh,
box.
I'll be the judge.
No, you can't try them on.
Zero.
Because your
Dad,
feet are smelly.
same shoe size, Dad. Dear, why did your dog like
Guys, these
You
shoes,
do have real stinky feet.
the Ultra Boost 3.0, these are really comfortable shoes.
You're not posting it though.
Probably,
Rocco, stop licking.
no, the most comfortable shoes I've ever put on my feet in my entire life.
Jiro, what?
I know a lot of
Why does he
YouTubers
lick-
say that they're the most comfortable shoes they own, and they're the most comfortable shoes in the world,
I like
all
the
that
lick.
stuff. They might be right. I honestly don't know
People
because I
taste
don't own
good.
too much shoes, but this video's getting pretty long, so
You probably got salt
I might as well
on
just
you,
end it here.
sweating or
Sorry for the
something.
cringiness, but it's alright, I guess. I hope.
Lick Jiro. Bye, Tim.
Alright. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be moving houses
He likes me.
sometime.
Rocco, you need another
This
tree?
house-
He's like.
You need another tree?
Alright, well. Peace out.
You need a tree?